One chilly morning in Arendelle, Elsa and Anna discovered an old map in the attic. The map hinted at a hidden magical artifact that could protect their kingdom. Excited, Elsa and Anna decided to embark on an adventurous quest to find the artifact. They packed supplies and set off through the snowy forest. As they journeyed deeper, they encountered a mysterious talking snow owl. The owl revealed that the artifact was guarded by a series of magical challenges. The first challenge was to cross a frozen lake. Elsa used her ice powers to create a safe path, while Anna carefully navigated the slippery surface. Next, they faced a maze of enchanted trees. Each tree whispered clues, but only the correct answers led them forward. Together, they solved the riddles and moved ahead. Their journey led them to a mountain cave guarded by a fierce frost dragon. Elsa and Anna had to use their wits and bravery to calm the dragon and gain entry. Inside the cave, they found a magical chamber filled with glowing crystals. The artifact was hidden among them, but they had to solve a puzzle to reveal it. Elsa and Anna worked together, using their knowledge and teamwork to solve the puzzle. The artifact emerged, radiating a protective aura. As they made their way back, a fierce snowstorm struck. Elsa used her powers to shield them, but the storm revealed a hidden enemy seeking the artifact. The enemy attacked, trying to steal the artifact. Elsa and Anna fought bravely, combining their powers to protect the magical item and defeat the intruder. After the battle, they realized the artifact had a unique power. It could strengthen the bonds of friendship and protect their kingdom. Elsa and Anna returned to Arendelle, where the artifact was placed in a secure location. The kingdom celebrated their bravery with a grand feast. During the celebration, the artifact's magic spread joy and warmth throughout the kingdom, reinforcing the bond between all its inhabitants. Elsa and Anna reflected on their adventure, feeling proud of their courage and teamwork. They knew they were ready for any future challenges. The adventure taught them that true strength lies in unity and courage. They promised to always face challenges together, no matter what. As the video ends, Elsa and Anna invite viewers to like, subscribe, and share the story. Join us for more magical adventures.